Hello, how are you?
Good.
Oh, that's my grandma, Balinese grandma.
Grandma.
How you doing? All good? All good, grandma? Okay.
Good, but
No tourists.
no customer.
Oh, there behind me is the entrance to the Kuta beach, the main entrance to the Kuta beach. And the past few days there was like a huge waves and the floods, and in general the weather was really not so the best. So I got so many emails and telling what's happened and requests, so I will show you today. Some local people making pictures at the entrance, and well, this is the entrance to the Kuta beach. Yo, what's up, brother? Next to his esky bar, there is like a lifeguard. Little temple here, as you see, and there is the corrosion. Already the waves destroyed everything here. Seems like there was really huge waves if they destroyed this part of the beach. People pray here already, and well, so many rubbish, and the construction of the lifeguard are already corroded. So all the rubbish come from the ocean, and there was the fundament of the guardhouse, and hopefully it's not gonna get washed away through the fundaments, because already you can see fundaments here. I hope so they will be fine, and I hope so the local government have money to fix it. Meanwhile, Kuta beach is around 3 o'clock, and I have a problem now because I need to get up. I don't want to break the temple here, so this is the tree you have to walk because it's broken. Hopefully we made it. How you doing, brother? All good? Take care, my friend. That's your child? Oh, hello! Yo! Take care, guys, today, yeah? See you next time. So basically that's what's happened in Kuta. The huge waves, corrosion, make a destruction of the lifeguard, and the access to the beach is very limited, as you see. I hope so the local authorities have money to fix it. In normal conditions probably they will fix it very quickly because so many tourists come, but currently, as you know, there is not many tourists, so it's pretty hard for everyone. And well, after that there was the flood in Denpasar, in Legian, Kuta Legian, where is big river coming from the Jalan Nakura going down, and mostly Kuta Devi street was flooded. I didn't been in Kuta at that time, I was in Sanur, but I saw some videos on Instagram. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Oh, that's my grandma, Balinese grandma.
Grandma.
How you doing? All good? All good, grandma? Okay.
Good, but
No tourists.
no customer.
That's not good.
Yeah, me already 3 times zero here.
Oh my
No
God.
business, yeah.
See
What I can do?
what we can do, what they can do. Waiting for you guys.
Yeah, if I'm crying, nobody carry me.
Oh, don't
Better be
cry.
happy.
Don't cry. You must be happy.
Yeah.
Happy.
Happy.
Yes. No tourists at all.
Nothing to do.
What we can do? That's not good. Oh, that's my auntie, Balinese auntie, guys.
Yeah.
What's your name, auntie? I forgot.
My name Ayu.
Are you okay? Sorry, my memory no good. This is my Balinese brother also. What's your name, brother? I forgot. Simpson.
Yay!
I have a lot of family in Kuta, guys. Brother, I will have a radler. Yeah, brother.
Yo, why not?
Yes. So, no, somewhere with you, brother.
You from Australia?
No, I'm not from Australia.
Where?
I'm from Europe.
Oh, Europe.
Yeah.
Good people,
Yeah.
friendly.
Yeah, but Australian people miss you, you know.
Yeah, miss me. But when Australian coming, they buy something.
For sure, guys, you will buy
Yeah,
something from the
anything, yeah.
aunties and grandmas, for sure. But meanwhile, don't lose your spirit, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Your name?
Damian.
Damian. Rita.
Rita, yeah.
Mama Rita.
Mama Rita, okay. Mama Balinese, Mama is okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
my
meet you.
son, Damian. You're very friendly. I
I'm
love
always
you.
friendly,
Yeah.
always.
Friendly and happy.
Have to be happy, always. You too, okay? Promise? Okay. Look at this one. This is the
At the end of the
grandma hot monkey. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
So many aunties here. Alright, I'm with Simpson today having a radler. I promise also to your friends as I'm gonna have a radler, but okay, I'm not gonna get drunk. Anyway, what's happened here? Tell me. So,
The king tide is like this year is really bad. The king tide.
look at this one. You lose like a 3 meters,
meters,
from
yeah.
the beach, yeah?
Yeah, that's really bad this year. The king tide.
Your stuff missing? No.
No. Lucky, not my stuff.
Alright.
Not lose anything.
Alright.
I put in there. In the back there in the storage.
Take care,
there.
aunties. Take care. Yeah. Bye. Thank you.
Oh, lot of rubbish.
Yeah, many rubbish. I know. I know.
Every year. Always.
Oh no, thank you. No, not today. Thank
Why
you.
no manicure?
I'm fine. Still okay. Thank you.
Manicure?
Yeah, I have a show.
Take off your shoes.
No. Meanwhile, that's how it looks really the situation of the beach. He already
I cut
prayed.
your nail. I cut your nail.
No. Thank you.
Clip.
No. Thank you. So after that, how's life, my friend? How is doing? Many people coming? Not really, yeah?
Not really. Still
Only-
very quiet.
Only local domestic,
Yeah,
right?
they're not bring lot bintang.
Yeah.
We did the OC coming back to Bali.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is actually not really alcohol, but there is no vibe for local people, yeah? This is like for you guys. So, cheers. Simpson, today support little bit of the Simpson, and I also have a promise to the other boys. I don't know. I promised everyone to, I gonna drink today, but that's not good. Anyway, cheers, man. So guys, if you're looking for very local life in Bali, in Kuta, always remember, have a beer or cola or water. Doesn't matter. You sell water also. Having little talk with
No
the,
manicure, nah.
yeah, you can do the manicure, pedicure, painting, and many things with the ladies. I don't want, but thank you so much. Maybe next time, yeah. But I just do advertising for you, yeah. Maybe many people come. Always remember,
Everybody come to Bali.
everybody come to Bali. Hello.
Bali, say hello, selling clothes.
Yes. See, so many local people are happy to.
Welcome to Bali.
Hot monkey. Yeah, I already like not forget. Yeah, hot
You
monkey.
don't forget me because you're very handsome.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
But I have a wife already. I'm sorry.
Already married? You married already?
Already. Yeah.
Balinese
How many
from
kids?
Balinese, yeah.
Balinese.
From Tabanan. You know Tabanan city, yeah?
From Tabanan. Because you ganteng. Because you ganteng.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
I think you're not married. If you're not married, I won't give you my daughter.
See, this is the reason why you can
My
come to
daughter
Bali.
very beautiful.
How old?
Oh, 25.
Oh, 25 guys. So if
Very
you
young, very young.
very young. No problem. How you doing, brothers? Yo, another one. What's your name, brother? Louis. Sam. Jack. All right. Good luck. I already promised to the other guy, but next time I come to you, okay? I promise. Okay. Take care. Oh, this. I have to run away. I have to run away. I ran away. Oh. Hello. Hello. How are you?
Stop. Oh, bintang first. Stop.
Yes. Hello. How are you, brother? How are you good? Give me on Radler. Do you have it? Yeah.
Radler, yeah.
Yes, please. Hello. How are you? I'm alright. Hello, brother. How you doing?
Good.
I'm just alright. So, how is life in Bali?
For 2 years, I have no work, no money. Because not people coming to Bali.
No tourists. Only.
No tourists. No tourists come to Bali, and then the bit very, very dirty.
Yeah, I see. And broke out. It's broken, Abrosi, yeah?
Sand also gone.
Yeah. There is like here where is the surfer board, there was beach, but it's no more beach.
This time very sad life, mate.
Yeah.
Very sad life.
Very bad. So you are just sitting here and waiting for.
Yeah, waiting for customer coming, want to sell something.
I come to help, and I also come to show as you are still here, waiting for people.
Waiting for you.
I hope so. I mean, the ladies hope us will come and support. Yes.
So say Australian people coming.
Australian.
Where you from?
I'm from Europe,
Oh, Europe.
but it's okay.
Friend
It's
come to
okay.
Bali.
Every people very good. Every people very nice. Every country very nice.
Exactly.
I love every country.
Exactly.
Yep.
Tell you
I
friend
love
in
every
Europe
country.
come to Bali.
I hope so soon you will come and support the ladies. Look at how many bracelets she have actually. Ready, fresh new stock.
Come back, come back, come back.
The local people buy their sets, no?
Yeah, sometimes local same money, very small.
Yeah.
Sometime buy, sometime no. Try to 10 times,
Oh.
20 times sale.
Okay.
Friendly, you. Very
Thank you so much.
very friendly.
I'm always friendly to every
Everybody
people.
bless you.
Oh, thank you.
You tourists in Bali, only one tourist you.
Only me, and that's it.
That's it.
Nobody else. Look at that. She's not lying. Look at that. It's nobody around. Nobody. They are all people who selling here something, right?
All people quiet and sit down,
Yeah.
waiting for money and for
Very,
local.
very young.
I like your tats.
It's good tattoo.
This one? Which one?
Welcome to my banana.
That's good one. That's good one. That's good one, brother. All right, guys. That was the lovely little. We spoke with the local people who are working here. Obviously, the beach is broken. Corrosion, erosion. I think erosion, and well, you heard what the local people said to you. They all missing you a lot. Yo, brother. Thank you. I cannot support everyone. Hello. Very quiet nowadays. Hello. People are everywhere. I should walk with the camera 360. I hope so it wasn't too hectic for you. And well, you can comment below. What do you think about that? Everybody are happy, that's for sure. But they are always happy when they are talking to you. But I can feel deep inside how sad they are, especially the ladies and everybody actually. Like, they don't have a much, right? I try to support as much as I can, but I cannot buy everywhere from everything. I hope so you also understand. And well, as always, thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow.